And the fun thing about the Miami Times in 1980 is it feels absolutely prophetic. There are things that are said in those pages that aren't covered in, for instance, in the Herald. But you know, they kind of read the tea leaves so much better than the Herald did. And of course, they felt very unrepresented by the Herald, as did the Cuban American community, which sort of makes this city unique and fascinating. That you basically had three different cities all within one, and you could pick up all three of those newspapers and come away with very different impressions of what was going on in the city that week and what would be happening. And of course, the Herald was the big dog, and the Herald had at its peak, you know, half a million, a circulation of 500,000, and the, you know, Miami Times was tiny in comparison. But who got things right? You know, have a look back, and you'll be stunned that you know, some of the great journalists of the Herald at the time, such as Gene Miller, might misread the tea leaves, and yet, you know, a guy who's being paid a 20th of what Miller's being paid has got things exactly right, you know, 2 miles away.